HydroMaster Tankless Water Heater Service Valve Kit. Full review. If you're installing or servicing a tankless water heater, the right valve kit makes all the difference. Today's review covers the HydroMaster Tankless Water Heater Service Valve Kit with pressure relief valve, 3/4-inch IPS, a clean, brass, all-in-one solution designed for reliability, performance, and easy maintenance. Build quality and durability. This kit is built from thick, forged, lead-free brass, engineered for strength and leak prevention. Each valve set is factory tested, ensuring dependable performance and a long service life. The solid construction inspires confidence, especially in high-temperature, high-pressure applications common with tankless systems. What's included and performance. The HydroMaster kit comes complete with hot and cold isolation valves rated at 500 WOG, plus a pressure relief valve rated at 150 psi and 200,000 BTU. The full-port ball valves maximize water flow, helping your system maintain optimal performance and efficiency. This all-in-one setup simplifies both installation and future servicing. Compatibility. Designed to fit standard 3/4-inch IPS connections, this kit is widely compatible with leading tankless water heater brands including Rheem, Rinnai, EcoSmart, Navien, and many others. It's a versatile choice for new installs or upgrades. Ease of installation. Installation is straightforward thanks to color-coded handles that clearly distinguish hot and cold water lines. This reduces errors, saves time, and makes maintenance faster and more intuitive. Safety, compliance, and certification. Safety matters. This product complies with all federal and state lead content standards for drinking water system components and is CSA certified, meeting recognized quality and safety benchmarks. Returns and peace of mind. Purchases are backed by Amazon's voluntary 30-day return guarantee, offering added peace of mind if the product doesn't meet expectations. Verdict and call to action. Overall, the HydroMaster Tankless Water Heater Service Valve Kit delivers durable construction, excellent flow performance, broad compatibility, and easy installation, an ideal choice for professionals and homeowners alike. For current pricing and availability, check the product link in the description and the pinned comment.